If you're thinking about starting a new career or developing an existing one, or would you like a second chance in education to open a new chapter in your life? My job is to help support you to make these decisions and take these exciting steps into university level courses at NPTC Group of Colleges. We offer courses in Neath, Avon, Llandasi, Newtown and Brecon, making it easy and affordable to study degrees on your doorstep. And it's not just degrees. We offer a range of full and part-time qualifications, some of only a year long in many subject areas. So whether you're interested in a HNC in engineering or a degree in business, have a look at our courses on our website and see what interests you. There are many different reasons why people enrol on a university level course with us. And as a new student, you may be worried about how you'll cope with the costs or the demands of fitting in academic work around work and family life. There's lots of support available here at NPTC Group of Colleges to do it all and help you get the career that you've always dreamt of.